This is a 2-pack of ProCase floatable waterproof phone cases, universal for phones up to 7 inches diagonal. And this is a must for your beach essentials packing list. This was sent to me to review, so let me show you a closer look and test it in and out of the water. This is a 2-pack, so you've got your 2 phone pouches and 2 sets of lanyards. You've got a great strong lanyard, not adjustable, but a great length. The clip is a hard plastic, very strong and durable. This is going to pop open on both sides right here. It's easy to pop it up. Then you pull it open. Note that the lanyard hooks onto one side, so you can get in and out even when that's attached. I'm gonna pull out this. That's a nice wide opening. And check it out, it is fully clear on both sides. There's no small window for your back camera. Like, it's both sides. Fully clear TPU for great photos and videos. Another thing I want to point out right here, before I put the phone in, you'll see it's filled with air. This is a kind of a bubble frame that goes the whole way around, which is gonna make it floatable. It says it's universal for most smartphones up to 7 inches diagonal. So we'll pop in my iPhone 14 Pro, which is in a big bulky case, and this is how it's going to fit a regular size non-max phone. Lots of space in there. You could also put your credit card, something like that, your hotel key card. Now we're gonna pop in and try out a plus size phone. This is a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Even a max size phone, look at all the extra space in there. This is gonna fit perfectly as well. You've gotta get these facing up, and then they are going to fit in and pop up through the slots. Then you flip them over and lock them down. And it even says open, close on both sides, so it's very easy to see that they are locked. Now we are fully waterproof. Really functional here. Amazing. Wow, yes, perfect. So this is testing out the front camera inside the case. We're gonna listen to what the sound is like. And a quick picture. And now we're doing the back camera. We'll see how this sound and video is. Really easy to use in the case. You can use the side buttons. You can use the screen, all good. Now we are gonna do the dunk test. This part's sinking, but this part's floating. It's definitely not fully sinking like most phone pouches do. So that's awesome. To be able to control it under the water, you wanna make sure your screen is facing the logo side. This is the more sensitive side, and you're going to be able to control your camera, your video, everything underwater. Only on this one side, it seems. When I had it facing the other side, I wasn't able to control it from there. So that's something to take note. This ProCase phone flotation device has built-in padding that make it actually float. So you don't have to worry if you drop it or lose it in the water, it'll float at the top of the water so you can easily find and retrieve it. Huge bonus in a waterproof phone pouch. This phone case has full touchscreen functionality with this high sensitivity TPU window, which, as I mentioned, I think it's only on the front side as far as you're only able to control it underwater from the front. Not only does this ProCase waterproof phone pouch work amazing to protect your phone in and around the water, the lanyard also makes it really easy to carry around, hands-free. You can carry other stuff in here if you need to. Just be careful it's not something that's gonna scratch your phone or puncture the case. This is the black, the frame, the locking mechanism, and the lanyard, and they do have it in a few other colors as well, such as pink, green, and white. This ProCase waterproof phone pouch is amazing and definitely needs to be added to your travel essentials shopping list.